Now, let's go to America, brothers and sisters. Now, in America, the campaign of presidential candidate this time, Donald Trump, brought the issue of anti-Islam. And surprisingly, brothers and sisters, this campaign has a big support of public. Dr. Zakir Naik. So, what do you think behind this phenomenon? What does it indicate?
No, I believe that we find that anything which is popular, they do have enemies.
Yeah.
And Allah says in the Quran that every prophet had an enemy. And Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, being the last prophet, will always have an enemy. So I feel that people like Donald Trump, they prove the Quran right. Allah says in Surah Furqan, chapter number 25, that there will be an enemy for Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And since Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, his message is going to be till eternity, there are bound to be critics and enemies of Islam and of Prophet Muhammad. So these people are proving the Quran right. Because in spite of all these things, Islam is spreading. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Imran, chapter 3, verse 54, Allah says, Makaru makarallah wallahu khairul makirin. They plan and plotted, Allah too plan. Allah is the best of planners. If you see after 9/11, the media war on Islam and throughout the world, normally people should think that now Islam should perish, na'uzubillah. They cannot. But we find that more people want to know what kind of religion is this. And we find that in USA alone, in a span of about 9 months after 9/11, 34,000 Americans accepted Islam. In Europe alone, in a span of 10 months after 9/11, more than 20,000 Europeans accepted Islam. So more they are trying to attack Islam, more Islam is spreading. I believe that such type of people, in the long run, it is benefit for Islam. People want to know what is this religion. And whenever people attack Islam, and you find that in the long run, it benefits Islam.
All right.